Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I am going to tell you how you can enable or disable the sound and vibration of the keyboard in your device Samsung Galaxy A04. So if you want to enable or disable the typing sound of keyboard in your device Samsung Galaxy A04, you can do it by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can enable or disable typing sound in your device.